Alright guys, so here we are on my school page, and also looking back on our weekly news hub. We have the news for the week, and as you can see today and tomorrow, the no news, and then we have a 10:30 and a 14. So on Wednesday, I would recommend just waiting after, no taking any trades until 10:30. There's a good setup around macro 9:50 to 10:10. I would take it, but get out of the trade before the 10:30, and then obviously no trading right before FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday, we have all of 8:30 news, so obviously no trades before 8:30, but after it's a very good time to trade. Same with Friday until 10 o'clock, just wait, let that news hit, and it will be good. That's the news for this week. It's a pretty good week, and I think it's good to trade with caution this week, but still trying to be confident. Now we're going to go to our community chat. I'm going to look at my NASDAQ weekly outlook. So on the 1 month chart, you can see that we have all-time highs haven't been hit. We have a monthly order block here, and we have a monthly order block here. Both of these have been respected. As you can see, the wicks come down in, and we're rejecting off of it, especially with these wicks, the deep rejection into the mean threshold of this wick, and the clear rejection offwards. We also have a mean threshold right here of this wick, right there, that's been respected by this monthly candle, and this monthly candle closed above this down closed candle. So we have clear bullish price action. So now on the weekly, we have the previous week high, previous month high, previous week high. We have a weekly inverse fair value gap that the price is traded into and is rejected clearly. We also have this weekly negative fair value gap, so it's a SIBI, and price is respecting it right now, and we have this weekly positive fair value gap that if price was bearish, I would like to see it get inversed before it moved down into sell side range. We have this taking out this high, showing displacement above it, closing above it. Now we're reacting as clear rejection from this fair value gap, and obviously this is the monthly order block and everything. These are the all-time highs, so I do think that we are still bullish on this price action, although I can predict a move lower eventually. So now when we hop on to 1 hour chart, we have everything like before the previous month high, previous week high, fair value, also the previous week low. But we also see we have this daily inverse fair value gap that was clear, closed above, retraced back in, and clear displacement to the highs. And now we have another rejection down to that weekly fair value gap, positive back up. So I want to see a move to the previous month and previous week high before anything. If we hit the previous month high, I don't want to close above it. If price closes above it, that is a clear sign that we're probably going to hit the all-time highs. So that is like what we're looking at right now. And when I hop down onto the 4 hour chart, let's see. What we see is that have this clear 4 hour fair value. We have SMT at the bottom that was printed, so this is bullish price action. Along with that, we have this volume imbalance, so I could see price closing above this 4 hour fair value gap, tapping into this daily order block, but I don't think it holds much more power over this 4 hour inverse fair value gap. We're tracing back into the volume imbalance and the inverse fair value gap, displacing from move higher to the previous week high and previous month high, which was up here. So this is what I'm kind of looking for during the week, and I know that some people are like talking about they need to understand ICT better in my trading community, and that's definitely going to be something I'm working on. And we just built this, so I just want everyone to check it out. We have our trading psychology course that's coming soon. There's going to be leaderboards, so there's going to be gamification on this, and I'm going to start making this better, but I really think there's going to be a lot of value within here. Obviously, here's the ES weekly outlook as well. It's pretty much the same, except all-time highs have been recently hit, so that is the one thing. There's that clear retracement from that weekly fair value gap, and this weekly inverse fair value gap was respected really well too. So, yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here. As you can see, price went from internal range liquidity sweeping back into this fair value gap. Now we're looking for external range liquidity, which is that previous week high, all-time highs, and that previous month high, which is all-time highs. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking for this week. Get a new stuff and join the community. Thank you.